For today's video, I'm going to recolor this Louis Vuitton Speedy bag. My client sent this to me. As you can see, there's discoloration all throughout the leather part. And if you will take a look over here, it's kind of brittle and cracked. I'm going to try and do my best to make it look brand new again by recoloring it. So please keep on watching. I shall be revealing the finished product in the end.
Welcome back, guys. It's me again, Tonico. If you are new here, hi, thank you for joining us. I'm a Filipino-Japanese full-time self-taught artist based in Japan. I usually paint on bags, but I also paint on canvases, shoes, clothes, and on just about anything. I love to draw, and I also like to make figurines, and when I have time, I do digital painting as well. Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, press the notification bell, comment, and share if you can.
Thank you. The very first step and the most important step in recoloring your bag is to use a deglazer. I'm using an Angelus brand. The deglazer is going to remove the top coat or any protective layer that is on the surface of your leather. Deglazer will also help to remove some of the oil or any grease that is on the surface of the leather. It can also remove dust to ensure a clean painting surface. Applying the deglazer will guarantee that your paint is going to adhere better. An acetone can be a very good substitute if you do not have a deglazer. It will work the same way. Both the deglazer or acetone are very strong. It can easily remove the color of the bag. If you are going to use it, be very strategic as to where you're going to apply it because, as I said, it's going to remove the color of the bag. Be sure to keep your deglazer clean. If you want to use more of the deglazer, make sure that you will get a fresh cotton buds or fresh tissue and avoid double dipping. By the way, I will be using Angelus leather paint for this project. I am not sponsored by them. I love the consistency, the color, and the flexibility of this brand. That's why I'm using it. Now that we have deglazed the bag, we can start the painting process. We are going to apply our base, which is white. It is very important to apply white as your base if you are going to recolor your bag with a lighter color. Without the white base, your final color is not going to pop. It would only appear darker because, as you can see, the surface is already dark. On the other hand, if your client is requesting for a darker color, like let's say black, then you can skip this part. Apply as many layers of your white base as needed. Personally, I will only stop when the darker surface is no longer visible. This right here is the most difficult part. As you can see, I've been stretching my fingers because it was hurting so bad. It was very difficult to expose the piping because the bag had hardened and it was very hard to access.
We are almost done with our base. Make sure that your base is totally dry before you apply the final color. We are now applying the final color that my client had chosen for her bag. I usually do around 3 to 4 layers of the final color before applying the top coat or the protective coat, which is an acrylic finisher. Now for our final step, we are going to apply an acrylic finisher. It is very important for you guys to apply an acrylic finisher onto your bag because it helps it protect from sunlight as well as rain. Make sure that the bag is dry before applying your acrylic finisher. Apply a couple of thin layers of this product. Do not overdo it. Too much product might turn your bag yellowish. So I would suggest a maximum of about 2 layers for this one. So without further ado, here is our finished product.